Variable repo rate is a monetary policy tool used by the Reserve Bank of India to manage liquidity in the banking system. Its main purpose is to provide short-term funds to banks, but the rate is determined by the market, which is different from the fixed repo rate. RBI allows banks to borrow for a period of more than 1 day at a market-determined VRR, which is usually lower than the repo rate. Under VRR, borrowing is done for more than 1 day and usually up to 14 days. When RBI wants to increase liquidity in the economy, but banks are not willing to borrow from RBI at the repo rate, as interest rates in the economy are already low, then RBI uses variable repo rate. Key features of variable repo rate. Market determined. The rate of VRR is determined based on market conditions, which provides flexible borrowing options to banks. Liquidity management. It is used to manage liquidity, so that financial stability can be maintained. Daily auctions. RBI conducts VRR auctions on every working day, through which banks can borrow funds as per their need. Short-term borrowing. VRR is mostly for short-term borrowing, which provides immediate liquidity to banks. Through this process, RBI can control the liquidity of the banking sector and can influence the economic stability. The Monetary Policy Committee (MPC) of the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) recommended introducing variable repo rate (VRR). This recommendation was given to make the monetary policy more flexible and responsive, thereby improving liquidity management. Apart from this, it was also said that VRR can be used to manage the liquidity of the banking sector and to adjust the monetary policy according to the economic conditions. This is a strategic step through which RBI can improve its monetary policy tools.